Then what kind of capacities I am supposed to have? If you have got over capacity, again I am in problem. If our capacities are underutilized, again, we are going to lose money. Then manufacturing and distribution orbit, from where we are supposed to source. So entire geographical understanding of that particular area and how we are supposed to, like, gravity center is very, very important and key to current globalization challenges. Which contract packers or contract manufacturing should I am supposed to use based on their capability? We are supposed to judge them, understand them, and we are supposed to have a complete understanding. What products and services should they handle? What kind of, like, since morning you have gone through so many presentations, so you have seen, like, there are different kind of services which is available in market. So which services is good for us, that also understanding we have to have. And then how can I achieve operation synergies through this, acquisitions? So challenges, if you look at distribution network configuration, is biggest challenge currently for us. Then distribution strategy is one of this, a strategy is whether you want to have centralized, decentralized, or shared. That question always comes into our mind. Then delivery scheme, we want to have a direct shipment, pull and point shipping, cross docking, direct store delivery, what you want. So that also, these things are, really bothering each one of us. And then replacement strategy, whether it is a pull or push model or hybrid model, what we want for our business. Transportation control also, like, do you have so many fleets, like GATI has got more than, 7,000 fleet which is running on roads, and then how we are supposed to have, understanding with our drivers, how, and with our customer, that we are giving them complete sort of satisfaction to them. So these are the challenges. Now I'll talk about role of IT in current challenging world, because IT is very, very important for success. So network and inventory optimization and product life cycle management. So IT is helping us in product life cycle management, because if you are into food and safety, then if your foods are getting, because food has got shelf life, and then if you are not shipping your foods on right time, what happens then? You are gone. So there is a complete loss. Sales and operating planning. So if your sales and operations are not coordinated well and planning is not proper, then again you have to go through that roller coaster ride. Manufacturing optimization also, we are not supposed to manufacture. Now GST is there on card and everything, the scenario will get changed. So consumption based tax model is coming. So based on that, what we are supposed to do. Then logistics optimization, which is again very, very key and important for our success. And procurement. So how, from where we are supposed to procure. Business intelligence, and then what kind of business intelligence we as a company we have acquired. So IT solution in supply chain industry currently. So the most important thing which has happened in last decade was RFID. So this has really helped all retailers and in terms of enhancing their productivity, controlling their cost and all. Then second was software agents. So lot of buyer agent shopping boots and retrieval has happened for goods and services. Monitoring of surveillance agent, which was once upon a time it was nightmare. So now with the surveillance equipment, we can monitor what is happening at real time. We can ask a lot of valid questions. User agents. Data mining was also one of challenge, but because of IT, this data mining is very much possible right now. You have got full of data analytics. You can ask a lot of questions. You can do this MIS and all. Then decision support, DSS. So support system, DSS is also very, very important in this entire process. And then web services. Now a lot of web services are available for your supply chain industry. So I'll move to next. Then electronic commerce, e-commerce, which is, most of these companies, either they have e-com platform, and this IT is really helping them. IT is the biggest tool for them. So I'll take example of Amazon, or for say, Nike, which is one of our customer. What they do, they only take care of their brand, and brand is again only branding and manufacturing and quality they take care of. Rest other things, basically they outsource. And because of IT, it is very, very much possible for them to take care of this, 3PL requirements and all that. So electronic commerce, again, e-tailing, which is, e-tailing, e-procurement, e-auction, which is happening currently. And this is helping all these companies to understand the market, their customer, their need and requirements. And basis that, this IT solution, there are a lot of companies which are coming with them. Then electronic supply chains, we have seen that entire globalization which is happening, and companies, they are not interested in only one territory, rather they are going to different territories and geographies. They are talking to different customers, and because of this IT, this is very much possible. And because information is real-time information which is available right now. So you understand your customer, you understand their needs and requirement, and because of this information management, you are there with them. So virtual supply chain, this has also helped us in GATI. I was talking about GATI fulfillment services, which we have started recently. So this is basically virtually you have got only your stock is at only one place, and what happens, you are tying it up with different sellers like Amazon, Flipkart, and you are not supposed to keep all your inventory at different like earlier. In current environment, what happens, if you want to sell a mobile phone and you want to register with Amazon, so you have to have 100 pieces for Amazon, 100 pieces for Flipkart. But this virtual solution as a GATI, what we have provided is, so this is a virtual, so at one GATI fulfillment center, your stock will be there. And on real-time basis, if you want to sell, like, Amazon, you are able to sell 10 pieces, so automatically it will get reduced. So virtually you are going to take care of your inventory and stock. So your working capital management will be, key to your success. So you're not having, too many stocks, but rather you are managing that. So I move to next. Supply chain digitization. So this has really helped us. This is the modern thing which is happening currently. And in this, monitoring of inventory has become so efficient and effective that you know exactly what is there. So, and managing warehouse stock. So earlier we used to struggle, in 80s and 70s, whenever this the automation has not happened. So that was real nightmare. So inventory reconciliation, so without IT now we can't think of those diseases. Optimizing fleet routes. So again, so on which route is optimal utilization is there, not there, how that route is performing, it is profitable, what is your capacity utilization, what is your cost per kilometer for that particular route. So everything, is now easily available, and you can take action against that. Okay, this route is not profitable, let's do something, and you optimize your fleet, size of fleet, based on their capacity and all. This is very much possible. Dead mileage. So dead mileage is dead, and it's lost to any company. So because of IT now, it's very much possible. Artificial intelligence also, now we have seen, like, in supply chain industries, with artificial intelligence, lots of simulation is getting done, and based on that we are providing solution to our customer, that this is your supply chain requirement, this is your basic requirement, and based on that you run a simulation, and based on that you give solution to your customer, and customer is very happy about it, that hey, the ultimate supply chain, what would be the cost, what would it look like. So, and then, like vehicles, self-driven drivers and all that, which is happening currently. Apart from that, wearable devices. So earlier we used to carry things, along with CPU and all. So now with this IT development, the latest IT development, which is, wearable devices is available, which is fast, accurate, and data collection is very, very easy. And that someone was talking about, what is the life of battery which we are supposed to, which we are using. So there is a 90 days batteries are available, then 3 years. That's what I was just listening that conversation. So so these wearable devices are really helping this entire new generation, and they are very fast and accurate in data collection. We are live in tracking our manufacturing needs. then whatever is stored and whatever is distribution of products also. Monitoring vital signs to prevent health problem also. So this is helping this monitoring as wise. Once upon a time, you might have noticed whenever you have to check your blood pressure or blood sugar, you are supposed to go to hospital and all. Now these devices, portable wearable devices, are very much available next to your medical store, which you can carry at your home, and this is really helping us. Use of SaaS. SaaS is basically software as a service. So based on your needs and requirement of supply chain, you are supposed to choose out of different solution which is available, and that is basically which is very safe and secure for your business. Based on that understanding, you are doing that. Then it's convenience also and cost effective also, based on per pay use basis. If this will be done, and so you want to avoid high fixed costs of IT. So, these kind of services are right now available in market. So technology is a key differentiator for GATI. So GATI, we have started GEMS. GEMS is our ERP developed, 200 man days was years of experience was put behind that. And this is all, ERP system what we have. And this has got capability also to gear up based on business volumes, needs and requirement. Apart from that, we have got cross-channel order fulfillment platform, and which is very much we can customize for our customers. Then currently we are for GATI-KWE and for our trucks also, which is running on roads. What we do on real-time basis, we track their temperature and everything, ensure optimum temperature is there, so that things are not getting missed. On real-time basis, data updates we give to our customer through mobile and tablets. We scan each and every package is talking to us, and then we do that. Real-time tracking and monitoring of warehouses through OCC, Operation Control Center, we have got in different places in India, and through that we do. And vehicular tracking system is also there, which is real-time. So we exactly tell our customer, hey, in this particular route, we have got problem and your deliveries will get affected, and this is our plan B. And these are our customer. So 7 of top 10 auto companies are with us. You name it: Ford, Tata, Hero, Honda, Suzuki, Volkswagen, they're with us. And electronic also: Samsung, NCR, Canon, Toshiba, Sony, Ricoh. And then again, pharma industry: Cipla, Novartis, Torrent, Sun, Abbott. And FMCG, we have got Hindustan Unilever, Dabur, Godrej, Taj Hotel, again we are supplying. And then e-com, I was talking to you: Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, Jabong, Paytm, they are with us. And cold chain industry, again, Cadbury, Starbucks, Amul, Domino's, Nestle, and Reliance Express. So conclusion is, IT is a very much important and enabler in SCM. And current usage of IT tools such as EDI, barcoding, and inventory management, transportation and warehousing, RFID, software, these agents are really helping each and every individual, which is very, very important. Emerging new tools such as supply chain digitization and extensive use of AI and warehouse devices, SaaS and supply chain, which I was talking, has really helped us to improve our processes to our to whoever there is in industry. Then their planning and execution is very much accurate, and also a stronger collaboration which is happening because of the risk management is less right now, making supply chain is very, very resilient. And this is the success which is for effective and efficient supply chain process. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Kundan.
Thanks.
Questions if you would like to answer?
If you have any question, then I'm there to answer.
Can I see that hand raised? Yeah, okay, one second. I'll pass over the mic.
Hi, my name is Mohit. That you still need to...
One, as you rightly said, since you are in fuel, so the fuel consumption is very, very important.
Right.
And like how rash that driver is driving, that is key to for our understanding that we also monitor through our control systems and everything that this driver was not maintaining that particular speed, which is currently very much possible to understand, and if he was driving rough and all. So this kind of system currently we have. So cost per kilometer currently we are driving, okay, and apart from that, the capacity utilization of vehicle. So how much capacity we are, if vehicle is overloaded, then how it is going to, because then again the tire cost and everything, fuel consumption will be on higher side.
I hear, so no, that's good for me to
Yeah.
understand, but I also hear the other side of the story, that whenever people try to touch something as critical as fuel, there is a whole organization-wide resistance, particularly coming from the drivers.
So here in our system is a bit different. What we do, basically we have a tie-up with our different petrol pumps, and drivers are carrying that card and all. And and you might have not aware of this, but GATI has got some petrol pumps also in India. Okay, and their instruction has been given to drivers to use, that way. But if you are most welcome if you have some technological solution. Let's talk on that as well. I'm happy to understand, how that is going to help GATI.
No, of course, I will talk offline on that.
Sure.
Thank you. But the question is, I hear this from a lot of logistics companies, that when they try to touch this, organization-wide, drivers tend to, they can create IR issues, right?
So that's
what's
what I was
your
telling you. In
experience
GATI,
been?
we do not have, because GATI is a different model. We have got business partner model. We call it GATI Associates. Okay, and they go and on per kg basis we pay to them. Okay, not on per kilometer or per liter and all that stuff. So our business model is different. It's more into entrepreneurial nature, and because of that, we are very successful from last 27 years. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Kundan.
Thanks.
Any other question? So we had a session planned for today, which unfortunately we will not have today, but have it tomorrow, from Apollo Logi Solutions. Anaya